It cannot be Lily standing over there. She went away for the weekend. Use the modal verb can for impossibility. I have no idea. You know, she can eat the whole pizza just in one go. Use the modal verb can for ability. No way! Can you call her? Use the modal verb can to ask for something. No, I can't. I don't have her number. You can find her number in my phone. Use the modal verb can to give an option. Oh, got it. Can I leave it here? Use the modal verb can to ask for permission. Yes, sure, you can leave it on the cupboard. Use the modal verb can to give permission.